Keto desserts, guilt-free treats and sweets that won't kick you out of ketosis while on a keto diet. Sweet tooth? No problem, enjoy decadent desserts without the guilt or the carbs. Just because you're living a keto lifestyle doesn't mean dessert is off the menu. In fact, with the right ingredients and a little creativity, you can enjoy rich, satisfying sweets that not only taste amazing but also keep your body in fat-burning mode. Keto desserts are all about smart swaps, ditching sugar and flour while embracing alternatives that mimic the texture and flavor you crave. Traditional desserts are loaded with sugar and carbs, the very things that knock you out of ketosis. But keto-friendly baking focuses on low-carb ingredients like almond flour, coconut flour, cream cheese, and unsweetened cocoa. For sweetness, natural sugar substitutes like erythritol, stevia, and monk fruit are the stars, sweet but carb-free, so they won't spike your blood sugar. One of the most popular keto treats is the classic cheesecake. Rich, creamy, and easily customizable with flavors like lemon, chocolate, or peanut butter, it's surprisingly easy to make using a crust of almond flour and butter. You'll feel like you're cheating, but your macros say otherwise. Chocolate lovers rejoice. You can make dense, fudgy brownies with almond flour and unsweetened chocolate, or whip up silky mousse with just heavy cream, cocoa, and a touch of stevia. Craving something cold? Keto ice cream made from coconut milk or heavy cream can be churned at home without a single scoop of sugar. Fat bombs are another keto favorite, tiny bites of rich, high-fat flavor made from coconut oil, nut butter, and flavorings like vanilla or cinnamon. They're perfect for satisfying dessert cravings while giving your body a clean source of fat for fuel. Want something quick? Mix chia seeds with almond milk and cocoa for a pudding that thickens overnight. Or make a microwave mug cake using almond flour, an egg, baking powder, butter, and a sugar-free sweetener, ready in minutes and completely keto. The key to mastering keto desserts is understanding your ingredients. Always check labels for hidden sugars, and remember, even low-carb treats should be enjoyed in moderation. While these options won't spike your glucose, they can still slow progress if eaten excessively. Keto desserts allow you to enjoy the indulgence of sweets without derailing your progress. They're the proof that you can treat yourself and still stay on track with your goals. What's your favorite keto dessert that satisfies your sweet cravings without sacrificing your progress?